Now we're in the Maine Tower, 20th floor. Very nice and fancy property. Two bedroom apartment. Straight away that will be the bedroom with a built-in wardrobe. The view of this property is amazing. You can see the river, Shard, and the London Eye. Okay. Large wardrobe. Going not. The left hand side. On the right hand side will be the bathroom. Okay. Opposite side will be the utility room. Comes with washer and dryer. Straight down will be the master bedroom facing Canary Wharf. Look at the view. They're great. Come back. So we got built-in wardrobe, and that's the ensuite. Come to the shower. Okay. Gonna move to the living room. That's the living room. Oops, just make it clear. Open plan kitchen with partition wall, separate living room. And then we got living room. Huge French window with a great view of the Canary Wharf. And then facing to the west, we've got the river and the fancy buildings are across. A big balcony which you can access from the kitchen and here. No, you can't get out. Yeah, you can. Yeah, it's there, sorry. Alright. So again, we are facing Canary Wharf north, that'll be the west.